this video, I will illustrate how to find the position of each salesperson. For example, for January, Soha is first, Elijah is second, Shah is third, Alam is fourth, Shiraj is fifth. Shipon and Sravoni are not available in the list of January. Actually, they don't hold any position. For February, Soha is third, and we can see in the list, Soha is third, Elijah is fourth, Shah and Alam, they don't hold any position, so these cells will be blank. Shiraj is second, Jahangir is first, Shipon is fifth, Sravoni is also not there. And I want to get the result for March, April, May and June. So let's start. At the beginning, I need to extract the unique salesperson names from this list. As you can see, the salesperson's name are in rows for 6 months. So I have to join the salesperson name in one cell. Therefore, I have to use Textjoin function. Textjoin. The first argument is delimiter. The delimiter will be comma and space, and I will write them in the inverted comma. The second argument is ignore empty, which I will skip. I will not provide any value for this argument. And the third argument is text. For text, I have to select the entire range. I will close the bracket and press enter. Now I have the salesperson name in one cell. It's time to split the salesperson names in rows. To split, I will use text split function. Text split. The first argument is text. I have already the text. I will go to the next argument, which is call delimiter, and I will skip this argument because I want to show the salesperson name in row. So I'll go to the next argument, which is row delimiter. I'll write the delimiter here, comma and space. I will close the bracket, press enter. Now I have all the salesperson name in one single column. You have already noticed that the salesperson names are duplicate. As I want to extract the unique salesperson name, so I will use unique function. As this expression will be used later, so I will assign a name by using let function. I can write any name. I'll write A here, and the name value, I have already the value by using text split and text join function, comma. I will declare another name for assigning to the unique value. I will write B here, and the function will be unique, and I will refer A for array. I'll close the bracket, comma. For the time being, I'll write B here. To see the result, I'll close the bracket and press enter. Now I have the unique salesperson name. Now I will find the position of each salesperson. Here I will use reduce function, and you may have a question why I am using reduce function here. Actually, reduce function loops through an array step by step and performs a calculation at each step and returns the accumulated result. I will show you a simple example of reduce function for better clarification. Here you can see I have 3 numbers. I want to add each row number and get the final accumulated value. So I will use reduce function. The first argument is initial value. It is actually the accumulator. I mean, it will accumulate result across the iteration, and we can say it stores the result. So I will write 0, comma, array will be this range, comma, here I will use lambda function. For initial value, I will write A, and for array, I will write B, and the calculation will be A plus B. I will close the bracket and close the bracket. I will explain this calculation. I will press enter. I have 8. How I have this 8? By using reduce function. First, it will add 0 with A. So the result will be 1. And this 1, the initial value will, the A will store. In the second row, it will add 1 with 3. So the result will be 4, and it will again store this result. And in the third row, it will add 4 with 4, and the final accumulated result will be 8. And I have already received 8 by using reduce function. So it works this way. Now I will complete my calculation. The initial value will be B, which is actually the unique salesperson name, and array will be my salesperson's range, comma, I'll write lambda. The first name will be X for my unique salesperson name, comma, and the second name will be Y for my salesperson range. And the calculation will be HSTACK, and we know HSTACK function add columns side by side. So the first array will be X, comma, and now I will use Xmatch function because Xmatch function finds the position of each value. Xmatch lookup value will be B, which is my salesperson name, comma, and lookup array. Here I will use text split function because I have to split this value. Text will be y, which is my range I have already declared, comma, and the call delimiter will be comma and space. I will close the bracket, close the bracket, close the bracket, close the bracket, and close the bracket, close the bracket, press enter, and you can see I have the position of each salesperson. As Shah is not available in the list of February, so I have got NA. Now I will replace this NA with nothing. I will use if NA function and the value will be nothing. I'll close the bracket and press enter, and you can see if a salesperson doesn't hold any position for a month, the cell will be blank. I hope you like this video. Thank you.